Okay, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna play slime, because when I went trick-or-treating, I actually got slime. Got 3 these bad boys. So, just gonna mess around with slime. So yeah, I'm gonna cut the video. So, I cut the video, now I started playing with it. So, if you guys know what I should do with the slime, put it in the comments. But yeah, can you also like and subscribe, because I'm trying to hit 50 subs so I get face reveal. Not this far. Alright, and I was at my sister's house, and one of my friends slash second cousin, I don't know, drew this and painted it, and she also did this, also that. But yeah. So this is just a video of me playing with slime. If I'm being silent, that's because, yeah, I just okay, so I'm gonna put that right there, and then so this is the slime, obviously, because I've seen it, but I did mix 3 of them up. I did have one, but I traded some of my candy for some slime and stuff. So yeah. Alright, can you guys subscribe? I don't know. I did ask it already, but just subscribe, bro. What are you doing? So, I just might end the video here. But, yeah. Yep, I'm in the video.